Everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam, and I have an unboxing for you today. I just had to tell you a little story. It's short for me, anyways. I got up this morning, and I always get up in the morning, and I get dressed, and then I go down to work. And when I get to work, which is just in my first floor, then I brush my hair and I put it back up in a bun because it's long, and I generally, when I'm working, like to keep it up. And and I don't ever look to see what it looks like until later in the morning or whatever. Then I'll get up and go in the bathroom and check because I have men in my house, they don't care how it looks, so I look as dumb as can be and no one will tell me. So I always go check and make sure it's at least back or whatever. So this morning I got up and I went downstairs and I put my hair back, and then I'm like, oh shoot, I have to go pick up a prescription from the doctor's office. So ran to the doctor's office. Then I thought, you know what? It's early enough. I'm actually going to get a sausage burrito from McDonald's and a Diet Coke. And then it dawned on me when I got home and went into the bathroom that I had never checked my hair. And thankfully it was okay. I mean, it looked like it looked now. But I just thought it was really funny because I was so lucky because there's so many times when I just put it back without looking that it looks really funny. So anyways, I know it's not a good story, but it's my story. All right, a couple things to open today. First, this is just random. I got this because I was watching a video from Eva, Fuchsia Floyd, and she showed this or talked about this, and I think she linked it down in her description box below. And so I thought it was cool, and for the price, I got it. It is actually just a really thick, heavy chain with like faux leather in it.
That's a chunky chain.
Right, to go like on one of my, I figure on one of my Coach bags, or maybe on even my horse bag. I thought it was pretty cool though.
Is that leather in there?
And I think it's faux leather. But I can't remember how much it even was now.
So it's made from a foal?
No. I wish I had one. I mean, one that I thought it would look cool and right that I'm going to grab. I'm not going to grab it. You'll see it sometime. I'll put it on a bag. But it was pretty reasonably priced. I liked how it looked on hers. I was thinking either, yeah, probably going to do it like on my regular Coach bag up there. Could even do it on this. Could put it on my black horse bag. But yeah, I just thought it was kind of cool. The only thing I will say is it took forever to arrive. I want to say it was like almost a month before it came. But I'll try to find the video that she spoke about it in, and then link her video in my description box down below if I can find it. But I like things with silver hardware. Of course, now that I'm looking at the bags I might use it with, they all have gold hardware except for the horse bag. But yeah, I just thought it was kind of cool. So I thought I'd throw that in there. It's on Amazon. All right. And now we have what I got from the Coach most recent drop. I was trying to decide what I wanted because there was a few things that I liked the patterns of. Like, they had a really cute gingham tote that was light blue and white and had like cherries on it. And I really, really liked it. It looked to be a little bit bigger than this one, but and not as stiff as this one, but well, it was from the women's line. But it was just I just thought it was too similar to having, I mean, I already have my Wizard of Oz bag, I already have my little Coach denim tote with the cherries on it, so I didn't get it. But what I did decide to get, because everything that I liked the patterns of, it didn't come in a bag that I wanted or a size I wanted. So, although I am still kind of thinking about the red Rowan. But, so I decided to get the notebooks. And so I got, can you see it through the packaging? I purchased this one, the blue and white gingham. Like I said, I really liked the blue and white gingham. Wow, there's a lot of good packaging in here. Wish they packaged their bags this nicely. So it's just a, oh my goodness. It just looks like that. It says Coach real small right there. And then these are obviously refillable. This one has the lines in it, which I was hoping for. And what I think I'm going to use these for is, what I like to do now, oh, one of those pages or something had a C on it.
C is for cookie.
Well, there's some writing right there.
Somebody already wrote in them?
No. It's just some of the pages have stuff. But what I wanted to use it for was I like to take, I like to take things that have no, pages like this, probably cut them in half. And then every book that I have, I get a little sticker made for the front cover of the book. And I put it in, and then I put title, author, date started, date finished, and rating. And I do that with all my books now. So I keep on filling up notebooks. And I thought, I'm going to start using these so that they have a nice cover while I'm using them. And then when I fill these up, or if I do, then I can just take the notebook out and get another notebook and put it in here, or leave it in here and use a different notebook. But I just thought it was cute, so I got that. And then there was another print that I liked, and they didn't have it in a bag I liked. So I got the notebook of it. You can see it through the thing here. Plastic a little better on this one, I think. But this was the little cherries. Okay, and they're like embossed on here. You can see that. They're indented. Oh, this is Coach right there. And so this one, it's probably got the same interior. Their notebooks either come lined or unlined. These are both lined. And I figured kind of the same thing. I will probably use this as a, put my books in there. Oh, it's almost got like a sheen to it. Or I might put in here like some other stuff having to do with books or whatever else. I'm not sure yet, but I might, like I said, just keep the notebooks in them until I have something else I might want to use them for. But in the meantime, I probably will use them for books to keep track of them, because I thought these were really cute. And like, I think these were about $40 some dollars. And at first I thought that was a lot until I thought about when I buy the blank notebooks that I've been using to put my books in, they usually cost about $30 or $40. And I thought, okay, I think I'd rather get this. Then I have something from the print that I liked. I can leave the items in here all the time if that's what I decide to do. But if I want to take the notebooks out, I can and use this for anything else I'd like to use it for. So I thought, I'm not mad about having two of these notebooks to do what I would like with. This is really nice. I'm a really tactile person. So
She touches everything.
Right. But this is too, I mean, this is nice too. This has a texture. It's not like this one. But yeah, I love to touch things. No matter where we go, like even out in the forest, we'll be walking along a trail and just a second, I gotta go feel something. It's true. I do that. I don't know what it is. I like to touch things. And how things feel resonates with me, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, that's what I have. I think I have a few other books. I was gonna look. I thought I had them in here. Those are my Portland leather good wallets. Oh, yeah. Okay, looks like I do have one other Coach notebook. This one's in pink. And this one's lined as well. So
wow,
see?
Look at that.
Now I have a few of them to use. But I also have some Portland leather goods one. And then I got this from Louis Vuitton. And I love the gold because it always has like the violet inside. And then I even got paper to go with it. And I was always going to use this in my bag. And then I don't.
I put it in a drawer and forgot about
But
it.
no, I didn't forget about it. But now I got another yellow one that actually comes with a pen that's not from Louis Vuitton. I got it for $1 at a thrift store that I'm going to start using in my bags. But maybe I should just pull this one back out and use the pen from that one. And I just want to keep something like this in my bags because I like knowing I have a piece of paper available to me, and I like to keep things like notebooks, birthdays, stuff like that, important dates there. So how this ended up being me also showing you my Louis Vuitton little notebook, I don't know, but it did.
What a segue.
So that is what I have. See, it was wrapped in here. Now this to me was good for those notebooks. But yeah, what did you guys get anything from the drop? If they had a Rowan in the medium size with either of these prints or both, I probably would have gotten them both. I might have not gotten the blue plaid one because it'd be close to this, but I probably could have talked myself into it because I really like a plaid or a gingham. And like I said, I'm still thinking about that red color. I wasn't sure I liked it on the website. Then I drove by our local Coach and saw it and thought, yeah, I kind of need that, but I know I don't need that. And so, so far I've talked myself out of getting it, but, I'm really tempted because I love that bag. I love the size. I love everything about it. So yeah, let me know in the description box down below if you got anything from the drop, and if so, what you got. Did you guys get any of the Rowans or any of the other bags? Coach, the regular Coach came out with some really cool, bags that I like. I can't think of the name right now. And I do have to say, in regards to my Coach rant or whatever you want to call it, I noticed that a lot of those bags, I think they're all still available but one. And some of them said the quantities were something like 10 of one and 30 of another, and they haven't been able to sell them out. So I just think that's really telling. And I just think people just aren't really happy about it. And if they're going to spend that kind of money, they're going to spend it on a different brand. And the other thing that really irks me, and don't get me wrong, I know this is business. I know what they're doing. I believe I know what they're trying to do. And they have every right in the world to do it. And I'm not dissing them as a brand because I think they're awesome. Clearly, I think they're awesome. I like spending money on them. I like them. I think the biggest kind of kick in the teeth is the percentage increase of the bags. And I've said this in some of my comments. If somebody buys a Louis Vuitton Capucines, I don't even know if they still make them, but if they do, when they did the artsy ones, then those didn't go up 5,000% to the clients. The markup was nowhere near that. So why did Coach mark its bags up? What is it, 5,000 or 1,000%?
From 500 to 5,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
that's crazy.
I think that's the part that really gets me the most. They're finally doing these really cool artisan bags, and I think the bags are beautiful. The price is that much. I don't know that. I think that's the thing that bothers me the most. They finally come out with these cool bags for us, for like middle class America, and now we can't afford them because they increased their price by 1,000%. That's the thing that bothers me. Is my pile of books just fell over. All right. Okay, that's more than enough. I think that's my sign to stop. So, if you liked this video, or even if you didn't, please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. I do put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays in regards to luxury and contemporary handbags and small leather goods, and occasionally other things that are my jam. Let's see. I do put out bag swap videos on Monday nights, where I swap from my current bag, go into my new bag, give you a little bit of information about both bags, and I switch out all my small leather goods, give you a little bit of information about them. Occasionally, like on this Thursday or tomorrow, I have a book video, or I'll have a book video that goes up. That's pretty much in regards to books. It's usually a book haul, and I'll talk about what I've been reading, what I want to read, just something to do with books. If you haven't found me over on Instagram already, I'm over there as well at James Jam. It's just Jame. _S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you'd have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
So did you say you did actually look at your hair in the mirror?
Yes.
Oh.